Hi guys, welcome back to another video of the Strategy Creator series. Today I will show you exactly what you need to build your own trading setup step by step. We're gonna add different indicators to see how this will impact your trading results. Let's go. As you can see, we are on the 15-minute chart on the Euro-USD currency pair. The first thing we need to add to the chart is a confirmation indicator, guys. This is the first piece. So you just click on the indicator, and for our first indicator, we're gonna need the Arun. Just this one, the regular Arun. Just click on it and add it to the chart. The purpose of a confirmation indicator is to give us signals for a trade entry. It could either be in short or long trade. In order to see if our indicators are working, we're gonna trade from the 20th of November to the 30th of November. So exactly 10 days. For a solid backtest, as you know, I prefer at least 2 to 3 months, but for this demonstrational purposes, this should be enough. During that time, as you can see, we got a mix of everything. We have strong trending markets as well as dead markets with almost no flow and no volume. So before we start, we need to make some small changes here at the Arun. We just click on settings and we change the length from 14 to 20. And we're gonna make the lines a bit thicker and we're gonna change the color. So we're gonna change the blue color to red. And we're gonna change the yellow color actually to green. With this, it's much easier to read and understand the indicator. For a short trade, like you can see here, the red line has to cross the green line. If this happens, you get a short entry. Same at the opposite side, if the green line is crossing above the red line, you get a signal to go long. Here's another example for a short trade. The red line is crossing up the green line at the Arun, so this is supposed to be our trigger candle. So as you can see, this is another short entry. The red line is crossing the green line up at the Arun, and this is our trigger candle. So we're gonna place an order at the low of this trigger candle, and we're gonna place our stop loss at the swing high, and we're gonna target a risk reward ratio from 1 to 1, just like this. And this trade would have been profitable. And now we're gonna do the back test, and we are very excited how many trades we get out of the 10 days. Let's go.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same.
Alright, this was the last trade here. I gotta zoom out a little bit. As you can see, we got quite a few good signals and good trades. And surprisingly, the results are pretty awesome, to be honest. For just having one indicator on the chart, we got 21 trades. We got a win rate from over 50%, which is pretty awesome. We got 52.38% for one confirmation indicator. That's not too bad, guys. That's not too bad. I just created a simple table here. Let's type in our results. We got at the Arun 21 trades and a win rate from 52.38%. Let's jump back to the trading view. Now listen up guys, we additionally add now the second piece to our setup, a baseline, like I already mentioned. By the way, if you haven't already checked out VP's channel, No Nonsense Forex Trader, I would highly recommend it to you. He's one of the guys whose video is gonna help you out for sure. It put me on another trading level. He's one of the good guys out there. In order to do so, we just click on the indicators and we add a simple moving average. Just take this one, moving average, we close it, and we're gonna tweak the settings a little bit. We're gonna zoom in just like that, alright. And now we click on the moving average, we're gonna click on settings over here. And what we do is we're gonna make the line a little bit thicker as well to make it more visible. And then you go in the inputs and you put the length on 100. The purpose of a baseline is actually very simple. It shows us the actual trend direction. With this, we only trade with the trend and not against the trend. As you may already have heard, the trend is your friend. And what does it mean for our trading setup? It's supposed to mean we're only allowed to make short trends if the market is below the baseline, and we're only allowed to make long trades if the market is above the trend line. And so if we're gonna have a look on this trade, the rune gave us a short signal, we are under the baseline, so this trade was valid. Let's move to another trade to make it a little bit more clear. Here's another short signal from our rune, and as you can see, the trigger candle closes here above the trend line, above the baseline. So this was no valid entry. It's not allowed to make a short trade here. I hope you understood the rules. We're gonna make the backtest with the exact same signals one more time, and we're gonna have a look what the results gonna look like.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a
Alright, we are done with the second backtest, and check this out guys, we actually increased our win rate. We now got a win rate from 62.5% within 8 trades. Let's move to the table. So with the baseline, with the moving average, we had a total trades of 8 and a win rate from 62.5%. So guys, as you can see, by adding a simple baseline, a second indicator to our system, we increased our win rate by more than 10% just by adding a baseline. Now you may say, hey, I only got 8 trades now. I totally understand, I got you guys, but our goal is not to make lots of winning and losing trades, but it is to decrease your losing trades, and by that your win rate and your profit is going to move up like crazy automatically. I hope this video was helpful. More content is coming up soon. Take care.